Hey, I'm Eric as the co-founder of Kaching Apps, and thanks for installing Kaching Cart Drawer. Over 75,000 Shopify merchants use our apps to increase AOV, and Cart Drawer is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Let me show you how it works. First, let's open the cart editor. On the right, you'll see a live preview of how your cart will look in your store. Everything updates instantly. You can customize and preview every detail. Let's turn on the timer. I'll set it to 8 minutes. Enable remove all cart items when the timer ends and adjust the colors to match my brand. This alone helps customers make decisions faster and boosts conversions. Next up is the promotion progress bar, one of the biggest AOV boosters. Scroll down and you'll see your reward tiers. Let's update the free shipping goal to match my store's AOV. Mine is around $45, so I'll put that here. Let's add one more tier and choose free gift. I'll set the goal to $60 and select my reward. Now on the right, you'll see that we have two tiers. I'll customize them a bit, change the icon style, and enable confetti when a reward unlocks. This gives shoppers that dopamine hit when they hit a tier. Let's go to the products in cart section and adjust the image size. Below that, you'll see the subscription and bundles options. This lets us customize how both apps appear inside the cart. Let's start with bundles. I'll make sure that the bundle upgrade tips are turned on. Now customers can upgrade their bundle directly inside the cart. Let's add a subscription-based product to our preview. I want to allow customers to change their subscription options inside the cart. So I'll turn this on. Now they can select different subscription terms right here in the drawer. Next product, upsells. I'll match the colors with my brand and pick products manually for now. Here you can also set the discount amount. Upsells work incredibly well because customers are already in checkout mode and grabbing one more item feels natural. It's an easy AOV boost. Lastly, let's add a few trust badges. I'll add them quickly here. Trust badges build credibility and reassure customers that checkout is safe. Now there's the footer options, bunch of options here, but I'll keep it simple and enable the upsell toggle only. It will create automatically a shipping protection product. Now I want it to be displayed inside the checkout button. It looks better this way. I'll set the price to $2.99 and make sure it's removed automatically when the cart is empty. Let's also enable automatic fulfillment for it. Now let's enable the cart and click save. Now press preview to see how it looks on your storefront. And yes, everything works perfectly. The timer is ticking. We see the bundle upgrade option inside the cart. We need just $15 more to hit free shipping. So instead of paying for shipping, customers naturally add one more item. Free shipping tier unlocks, nice. Now the clock is pushing me toward checkout, but there's only $9 left to get a free gift. And the upsell offer fits perfectly here. Let's take it. Free gift unlocked. Perfect, we're ready to check out. That's how simple it is. If you want to dive deeper, you'll find more detailed videos on our YouTube channel full of tips, tricks, and advanced setups to help you squeeze even more AOV out of every order. Our cart drawer works perfectly with our other AOV boosters like bundles and subscriptions. Make sure to check those out as well if you haven't yet. Wishing you success with your store and see you around.